Good evening. Thank you for bringing in more followers to our YouTube channel. We all thank you for your support.
That's great news.
So what are we waiting for?
Let's get started.
You're watching the second season of
AII News Flash for the top of the hour news. Exciting news from AII Language Center. Our school has achieved a remarkable milestone by reaching more than 10,000 students across all 9 campuses. Enrollment for Term 80 is still open, offering a wide range of programs, including English as a second language, ESL, Chinese as a second language, CSL, Thai as a second language, TSL, and diploma programs. Students have the opportunity to enhance their language skills and broaden their horizons through this comprehensive program. To learn more about the enrollment process and the programs offered, visit the AII Language Center's official website at www.aii.edu.kh. This is an excellent opportunity for individuals seeking quality language education in Cambodia. Stay tuned for more updates on this special occasion at AII.
AI 学生将与老师一起庆祝中秋节，参加一系列有趣的活动。中秋节通常在农历8月15日庆祝，这一天也是月亮最圆的时候。庆祝活动包括赏月、吃月饼、品尝美食、赏花灯和进行各种传统游戏。这个节日象征着团圆和谐。人们通常会与家人和亲友一起度过这个特殊的日子。中秋节在中国文化中有着悠久的历史和深厚的意义，也是对家庭价值观和传统的重视，也是对丰收和祈福的庆祝。月饼是中秋节的传统食物，象征着团圆和完整。人们也会赠送月饼和互相祝福，表达对彼此的关爱和祝福。AII 语言中心的中秋节庆祝活动将帮助学生更好地了解中国文化和传统，促进跨文化交流和理解。学生们将在这个特殊的节日中度过愉快的时光，与老师们共同分享快乐。祝愿所有 AI 学生和教师在中秋节庆祝活动中度过一个愉快而难忘的时刻。
Sophie, what happened?
You took everything from me. And now I'm returning the favor.
Get ready for an exciting lineup of anticipated movies in 2023. Here are some films to look out for. Brace yourselves for the spine-chilling experiences with The Nun and Exorcist the Believer. These movies promise to deliver thrills, suspense, and supernatural encounters that will keep you on the edge of your seat. Killers of the Flower Moon, starring Leonardo DiCaprio, is a highly anticipated drama that delves into the gripping narrative, compelling performance, and emotional depth that will leave a lasting impact. Embark on thrilling adventures with the Marvels. These science fiction films is set to take you on a journey beyond imagination, filled with superheroes, epic battles, and mind-blowing concepts. However, it is important to note these films contain content that requires strong parental guidance. They may not be suitable for very young audiences due to intense scenes, violence, and mature themes. Parents and guardians are advised to exercise caution and make informed decisions when allowing their children to watch these movies. Stay tuned for more updates on release dates and additional anticipated movies as we bring you the latest from the world of cinema. Enjoy the excitement and remember to choose your movies wisely based on the age appropriateness so you can have a safe and enjoyable experience.
Are you guys watching any of these films?
我的朋友一定会喜欢。
What?
I said my friends will like it too.
Oh, okay.
Let's save the date!
Be sure to follow the age restrictions before going though.
I'm May.
I'm Luca.
And I'm Rasid. This has been AII News Flash.